What we're going to do here is restore these decals. These are from a very early kit of this beautiful Curtis Hawk P6E, but you can see if you look carefully the cracks in the actual decals and the actual transfers. So rather than throw them away, and there's no need to throw them away because these can be restored, and I've got two sets here that I'm going to work on. This particular set has got little cracks in it, little crack here inside the printing. So what we've got to do, we've got to bridge the printing of these so that they then become usable again. So what we do is I use Umbral Gloss Coat, which is a really nice varnish. It's crystal clear and it also builds up nicely. So what we do, I've already put one coat on overnight. I'm now going to give another coat as well. So what we do is we work over each decal in turn. There's no need to be precise about it because we can always trim these up with a razor blade or a small pair of nail scissors later. And we'll just fill in the area where the decal is, and you'll find that this will, in effect, it will bridge the crackler together in the transfer sheets, and it will save them. And to be honest, I mean, there's quite a complex set of markings here, which if I couldn't do this I'd have to do on my hand. So that's what you do anyway, and you just leave them to dry for 24 hours and you'll find that they'll be perfectly usable. Now when you do soak these off, I advise you to use warm water, not cold water, warm water, because it needs to release the adhesive on the back of the film, and if you use warm water it tends to soak into the paper better as well. And also you can use a decal fix as well, and you can use a decal type fix solution, which is ideal. I've got some here somewhere, and as you apply the decals to the marking, to the model, you apply the decal fix on, and then you pat it with a lint-free cloth, and it will take the shape of the model, of the ribs on the model as well. So there's an idea. Don't throw your markings away. Use this method to save your transfers. Okay, so that's the podcast for today, and I hope you've learned something from it. Thank you.